Welcome to the in front of me ASUS ROG Phone 5S, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So first step, you should go just to the settings, and here scroll down to the advanced options. Now just go a little bit down, and here tap to the screen recorder section. Now here you can see the quality section. Just tap on the section and you can switch. Right now we got here the medium quality of our screen recording to the high or to the lower, or also we can just switch it to the medium one. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.